Hello everyone, welcome to DevOps for You family. My name is Rajeshwan. We are in the AWS Terraform series and this is the EC2 deployment series, and we have created like many resources. You can refer all the existing resources demos in this playlist. And what are those? That's all about like creating the key pair and VPC subnet. I will go through this diagram flow, and yeah, we have created a VPC and subnet, public and private subnet, and the internet gateway and security group and key pair, followed by the route table and route table association. And in this demo we are going to deploy the EC2 instance, and in my previous video I have explained this code like from the I have explain all these steps and the resource reference in my existing video. Please refer that video to get more insight on this Terraform files, which is ec2.tf and the nginx.sh file. And this is the .sh file that will be get deployed or executed during the ec2.tf while creating the ec2 instance. What is this file all about? We are just updating this ec2 using m update command. Why? It's for, it will not ask for the update to press yes, and we are installing install nginx, and we are enabling that one. Why this is we are enabling? Because after the reboot it will still automatically start the service in the backend, and we are just starting the services. And we are having this HTML page that probably the white background with red yeah color on the font, and the font will be like the character will be welcome to DevOps for You channel. So now I have this ec2.tf file, and this one I'm going to just follow this git add dot and git commit -m. I can say ec2.tf and nginx.sh updated. Okay, yes. So if I do a git status, nothing to commit. Now I'm going to push this to my remote repository, that is git origin main.tf. What is this? Origin, sorry, not tf, git push origin main. That is my remote repository. If you see, so this will, you can see a new commit. That is the commit, probably it will say ec2 and the nginx. We go to the latest commit, you see ec2 and nginx, and you can able to see this is the new file, the content of the file, that is ec2.tf, and this is the new content of the nginx.sh file. I just updated and just push to the remote repo. So now I'm going to execute sh, or you can execute many ways the cell file. One is you can just put sh, this one terraform.sh, and if we need to ensure that this has got the execute permission by using chmod +x followed by the file name, or you can just put .sh and the name of the file. So in my previous video I just executed using sh terraform.sh. Now I am just executing this with ./terraform.sh file. So what this will do, this will go and validate, for example, if I have this one, right, I'm just this file is not in a formatted way, right? So this will ensure that after running the terraform commands, that is here, if I go terraform.sh, right, first command it will go and run terraform fmt recursive. Means if we have more file inside the folder or something, it will do a recursive formatting, and this will sleep for 5 seconds, followed by the validating my commands if there are any issue with my terraform file, or basically terraform validation of the commands and the format. and Terraform plan to just display the plan. It will sleep for 5 minutes, 5 seconds, then it is going to apply the changes. Yeah. So now I'm going to execute this file. So now if you see, this is formatting the Terraform file, that is ec2.tf. If I go and show you the ec2.tf, previously I just move that file to the right corner, right? And yeah, you see, this was previous one. Now it got like moved back to here. So now it is going to apply or create the ec2 instance, and also it will deploy the nginx.sh file, so that we will access our website using the public IP of the instance. Yeah, let us wait for this to deploy, and we'll be using this .pen file which we created in our keypad.tf file demo video to connect the ec2 instance. Yeah, apply complete, and I see there is one changes. I don't know, maybe I'll just add this one also. Okay, and if I just status, yeah, nothing to commit, fine. So if I just go and execute, I just want to see what is the change we have done. This is the file. Yeah, fine, 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 fine. So these are the content which we created now. So I'm just okay. I'm going to the AWS console, and if I go to the instance, I can able to see an instance name called mobile app web, and it should have a public IP associated, and also we should see the security group which we created DFUSG, that is having the ingress traffic allowed for 80 and 22, and the egress traffic for all the traffic. Yeah, that means the outbound traffic. Yeah, so ultimately we need to, if we access this one, this should this should show the website of the Nginx which I have configured in my local, right? So our expectation, if I enter the hit the enter button, we should see the website using Nginx with the backend backend white with my welcome to Davas for you channel page. Yeah, fingers crossed. Yes. So if you see, this is the here if you see, this is not HTTPS, but yeah, we can able to map this using ACM, that is the Amazon Certificate Manager. Since it's a demo, I'm not like map that HTTPS things, but yeah, this is just a sample website that we have created here. I think there is a glitch in my network. Let me reconnect this one. So now I just want to connect my ec2 instance using this mobile extra. This is a great tool that we can use to connect our ec2 instance. Just open this one and go to ssh, and I have to go to my instance page, and I have to get the public IP. This is not HTTPS, by the way, this is HTTP. Yeah, yes. And I'm just inputting the IP, and I'm using Amazon Linux 3. The user name is like ec2 hyphen user, or maybe Ubuntu. Let me check. Okay, ec2 user, and I'm going to advance, and I'm going to select the key. What is the key we are expecting here is like all files. This is, I think, yeah, this is the key name, right? Pem file. Yes. If I click OK, yeah, this is getting authenticated. You see, we are now connected with our ec2 instance which we deployed. So if I want to just validate the web page, I'll be using curl-v and maybe localhost, so that it will show the output of the Nginx page which we created. Not the Nginx page, the Nginx website which we created. Yeah, you see, right? Okay, 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 okay. And this is the welcome to DevOps for You channel, the web page backend. Yes. So now we have successfully deployed our EC2 instance and also we have deployed the Nginx website using the Terraform. And thanks for watching. Please hit to my channel, that is DevOps for You space, and click here to subscribe to my channel. And I'm encouraging you to just go through my videos. This will be helpful to you if you are a beginner, if you want to learn DevOps culture and how you can deploy the AWS resources and Azure resources using Terraform, using like CI/CD and using GitHub Action. And thanks for watching, and I'm encouraging you to subscribe to my channel, requesting you to subscribe my channel. And if you really like my content, I'm requesting you to forward this to your friends. And now if I want to just destroy the resources, if I just run Terraform destroy, this will destroy all of my resources. But I don't want to destroy all of my resources, but I want to only, because we are having free credit in AWS, but I just want to shut down this machine, or I can able to recreate within less than 5 minutes if I want. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to execute Terraform state list. Okay, so this will give all the resources which we created. So I'm interested here uh, to delete my ec2 instance resource name. This is the one, yeah. So I'm just targeting that one, I'm just and inputting that one, and Terraform Terraform destroy hyphen. So here I'm selecting my target only the ec2 instance which we created under this one, right? So here if you see equals AWS ec2 instance, the instance name or that internal reference of the ec2 instance name. Okay, so AWS instance.dfu instance. So now if I want to just execute this one, okay, what is this one? Terraform. Yeah, there will be always hack here. So now I'm just destroying the specific target, that is the AWS instance which I created in our ec2.tf file which I specified. So this will destroy the ec2 instance. This is asking. So this is going to destroy one thing that is related to this AWS ec2 instance. Okay, so if I just press yes, this will be destroyed, and we can able to see that in our Terraform console. We go and just click refresh, it will be getting shut down, and within few minutes it will going to the terminated state. So by this way we can able to target a specific resource. By the way, why I am targeting this one, because I don't want to lose my credit hours, because I'm going to do lot many demos, right? So by I can able to save this hours instead of keeping this one running, I can shut down these resources, yeah, but again I get charged for the EBS volume that is attached to my ec2. Not only they are going to charge for the resources, that is memory and CPU, but still I'm going to charge if my free credit is over, because since I have planned a lot many demos, I don't want to lose my credit hours. That is the reason I just target the AWS EC2 instance. I just destroyed. Apart from all we are going to charge anything, so I just leaving that one. And thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye. Take care. Yes.